Hello everyone and welcome back to IF Food Live. Swagatam ho sabka. So this week we are celebrating Onam festival. You know, Onam is the biggest festival in Kerala and it is a festival of harvest festival. It is done, in the memory of King Mahabali. So it is a huge festival which goes for 10 days in and out of the Kerala. So during this festival, the people have their own food, which is very famous in their state, and mostly you can get it everywhere in Kerala whenever you go there. So today, I'm going to show you how to make one of their recipe, which is very simple, called Kadela curry. Kadela is nothing but a chana. Everybody know what is a chana. So as you can see, it's a very simple. The recipes are very simple. You can do it. The ingredients, if you say, I have a coconut here, coconut flakes here, tomato, onion, curry leaves, then ginger, garlic, chili, just 2-3 of cardamom and cinnamon and coconut oil. And this is the chana. So mostly in South, in South India, the food is cooked in coconut oil to give their flavor. If you see in Thai cuisine, they use sesame oil. So that is the traditional way of cooking. So it's a very simple recipe. Very first, we'll put the coconut oil. So ये आप घर में भी बना सकते हैं. You can have for the breakfast also. अब गरम गरम लूची हो तो लूची का साथ भी खा सकते हैं. Or you can have with the rice. But in Onam is something different. Means whenever they celebrate Onam, they eat in a banana leaves with varieties of food. You can see the varieties of condiments in one banana leaves. So we'll put the coconut oil. Put only one stick of this one and just 3 pieces of cardamom. Then we'll add little bit of fennel seeds. आप लोग को मालूम है what is fennel seeds? जो सोप बोलते हैं. And then with ginger we'll slice and we'll put the ginger. Garlic also हम लोग whole डालेंगे because later on हम लोग we will need to make this as a nice paste. So we put some sliced onion. See, whenever you cook with coconut, I can feel the smell of the coconut. Normally, हम लोग कोकोनट ऑयल जो है सर पे लगाते हैं, but in South, they use for cooking. Wherever you eat in the South, you can feel the coconut oil. You can feel the smell of the coconut oil. So we'll saute a little bit. By the time saute, we'll chop the tomato. टोमेटो मतलब आप ऐसे भी कर सकते हैं, क्योंकि एनीवे जब होने के बाद हम लोग को ब्लेंड करने का है, इसको पेस्ट बनाने का है. अभी हम लोग इसमें थोड़ा करी लीव्स ऐड करेंगे। तो करी लीव्स का और एक अलग एक खुशबू आता है। तो आप देख सकते हैं ये ऑनियन टोमेटो वी आर सॉटेइंग नाइसली। तो देखिए ये ऑलरेडी सौते हो गया। सो हम लोग वी विल ऐड द कोकोनट। कोकोनट ऐड कर दिया। वी विल ऐड सम मसाला नाउ। हम लोग ऐड करेंगे क्यूमिन पाउडर, टर्मरिक, chili powder, and remember one thing, I have been to Kerala many times. I have been to Madras. The people in South, they eat too much of spicy, and when I tried first time, because I don't like spicy at all, so when I eat spicy, it was like the fire. We'll add salt. तो सी थोड़ा इसको अच्छा से भून लेंगे। Add some water. You can see believe me, when you make this kind of recipe at home, definitely you will like it, because you have coconut in it, you have ginger, garlic, curry leaves. So once this is done, you just need to cook for like 1 to 2 minutes. After cook for 1 to 2 minutes, after cooking for 1 to 2 minutes, make it cool, ठंडा करें, फिर इसको पेस्ट बनाएं। अगर आप गरम पेस्ट बनाने जाएंगे तो वो आपको जंप करेगा, you will jump. So ये all done. So अभी इसको हम पेस्ट बनाएंगे। So ठंडा होने का पेस्ट बनाने का। सो मैंने ऑलरेडी पेस्ट बना के रखा है। सो ये देखो ठंडा होने जब ये पेस्ट बनाएगा तो ये पेस्ट ऐसा आएगा, ठीक है। दिस पेस्ट you can use if you're making non-veg, if you're making a fish curry, it will give you excellent taste. Fish curry, just need to fry the fish and use this. Okay, so now we'll start the cooking. So हम लोग अभी ऐड करेंगे मस्टर्ड सीड्स। So साउथ कुकिंग में इट्स वेरी फेमस। साउथ कुकिंग मस्टर्ड सीड्स, करी लीव्स एंड कोकोनट ऑयल, इसका बना साउथ का खाना बनता ही नहीं है। सो हम लोग ड्राई चिली ऐड करेंगे, जस्ट 2 पीसेस, ब्रेक इनटू हाफ। ओके, ग्रीन चिली 2 पीस। So you can see the South Indian people, they eat too much of spicy. इसमें ऑनियन नॉट स्लाइस करेंगे, ऐसा डाइस कर देंगे ऑनियन को। डाइस the onion. करी लीव्स ऐड करेंगे. इसको थोड़ा सा सौते होने देंगे. Just saute little bit because our masala is already there, ready. Whenever you saute, you will get the aromas of the curry leaves. You get that aroma, it comes. So whenever you cook here, your next room will get that aromas of the curry leaves. So see, it's already sauteed, like it's like transparent. So we will add this masala. ये मसाला में ऑलरेडी वी हैव ऑल द स्पाइसेस, सो हम लोग कुछ ऐड नहीं करेंगे. See, the coconut oil, the coconut flakes. This chickpeas, you know what? This chickpeas, you soak it. You soak it in the water. Chickpeas, you soak it in the water for 1 hour. Then you just put in a pressure cooker and just give 1 or 2 whistles. That's it. It will be done. So you put with the water. You can see this करेला करी. जब ये बॉईल होगा हम लोग कवर करके रखेंगे. ओके, कवर करके रखेंगे जस्ट 2 to 3 मिनट्स. हम लोग थोड़ा गरम मसाला ऐड कर देंगे ऊपर से, क्योंकि जब हम लोग मसाला बनाया था तब गरम मसाला नहीं डाला था. फिर तक गरम मसाला, लेट इट बॉईल. नाउ इट स्टार्ट बॉइलिंग. वी विल कवर इट नॉट मोर देन 3 to 4 minutes. And your करेला करी is done. So देखो ऑलरेडी ये आपका करेला करी रेडी. आप देख सकते हैं, बट थोड़ा स्पाइसी है. तो हम लोग का चिली पाउडर है, ग्रीन चिली है, रेड चिली है, तो हम ये स्विच ऑफ कर देंगे. तो मैं बोला मतलब the Malayalis people, they eat lots of spicy. I have been there and I have tried that. So now the main part is Onam, the festival of Kerala. I will show you how these people they serve their food in these occasions. It's very important. So let's do the plating now. Here is the banana, leaves. I remove this one. So while plating, so we put the rice. I love Onam because I have been to this festival many times and I have eaten like this. Okay. So we put the Karela curry here. And you know, in this Onam festival, they have a varieties. Okay. So here, okay, so put some raita here. Simple beetroot. Nicely you blanch it. This is, you know, a banana chips, which is very famous in Kerala. Okay. We put some papadum here, different varieties papadum. Okay. We put some pickle here, mixed pickle. See, this is a yogurt. This is the dessert here. Kheer here, payasam. Okay. The banana, and here is a puri. Some garnish here. Some curry leaves. So this is how it serves in Kerala. It's Onam. You know, people individually they have like this, and it is fully vegetarian. They don't eat anything non-veg in these occasions. And imagine if you go to, you know, anybody house or relatives, you get like this. So I hope you enjoyed the simple recipe how to make kadala curry, and please try at home. It's very simple and easy. I hope you enjoyed the festival of Onam with their Kerala style recipes. So I will show you next, when I do the next show, I'm going to show you another Kerala style simple homemade recipe. So till then, stay safe and stay happy. Thank you.